Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with Hobby Link. Today we're going to be building a Lego anti-aircraft gun, and this is what I came up with.
Okay, so starting with the base, you need a 2x2 turntable brick, and it's upside down, and these 3x3 bricks. You need 4 of these bricks, and the turntable goes in the middle. Like that, and then on the bottom put this 2x2 round brick centre to hold it together. Alright, so continuing, start with the base plate at that angle and put another 3x3 curved plate like that, and then 2 1x2 bricks on either side of that. These 1x6 plates sticking out at either side. Another 3x3 curved brick. There and there. This 1x6 brick. Here. And on the other side. Here. And then 4x4 curved brick. And that's what you end up with. Okay, so for the actual gun, this 2x2 clip plate, and on the back of that you need to put an adjustable clip and a normal clip, and a 2x2 plate on top of it, like that. Alright now, so continuing, we need one of these pieces here, on top of that 2 of these bob pieces, and make sure they go like that. And then, connected to that, take one of these pieces, insert one of those adapters. That clips on the end. Now, attach it to this by, in this hole here, attach it onto there, like that. Putting this here, if you move that, make sure it's straight and connected. And that's like the base of the gun. Okay, so now I'll put this piece on. Do knock it. Really stiff. There we go, like that. And on top of that, put one of these. Okay, quickly make another part of the gun, one of these, and you literally just have to put a adapter there, like that. Then you add this piece we made a second ago and onto the end of the gun like that. Top of that you add one of these pieces like that. Add a Technic crossbar thing, and then two of these cogs. Like that. Now taking this piece, you take the gun, with the adjustable clip, clip them together. There you get. Okay, so you need to start with one of these 2-bar pieces, 1x2 step, and a 2x2 there. Then the gun goes on top like that, and that's the gun done for the minute. Okay, so now if you take one of these, 2x3, top of it put a 2x4, and on the very end put a seat in front of which you need a steering wheel. So, okay, now we need these 6x3 weird slanty triangle bits-ish, and they go like that, and they're held together by a 4x4 circular piece like that. And then on that side goes the steering wheel, and on the other side goes the gun, like that. And then we build some ammunition barrels. So two 2x2 round bricks. They lean over the edge like that, and then these pieces, I got them from the Lego green tractor, which, you know, like that. Okay, so now take the gun, where the center of the gun, if you align this like that. One of the final parts of the gun is obviously the minifigure, so I chose these blue trousers and this torso. I actually have no idea what that torso, where it comes from, but I do know that, well, I found it in my Lego box and I do know it looks good. Then I chose this pretty common headpiece, and now for the hat we have this Lego Dinos hat and a visor. Personally, I got my visor from ADU, but it's very common and can be found in like practically any set you want to see. So usually this hat would have goggles on, but and it goes on like that. And personally, I think it fits really well with the kind of shape. And this character, his hat's wonky because it makes him look a bit more like a normal somebody who's not that keen on his job, a bit more slack. He sits there on the gun, and then this gun has a great function. You hold there, you can adjust the gun up and down. The character fell out like that. So it can be an anti-aircraft gun, a ground gun, whatever.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.